In 1998, the world-renowned city of Ayurveda, Kottakkal in Kerala, witnessed the blooming of an institute exclusively for mobile phone technology. It was a new dawn. A dawn of great advancement in mobile phone technology when Britco and Bridco was established. Soon after the initial steps, Britco and Bridco spread its wings to different regions and countries. Now the company has more than 21 institutes and 500 plus supporting centers across the world, which lead thousands of students into the heights of professional competency. In our institutes, students from different parts of the globe are enjoying the real experience of learning mobile phone technology. Through a period of 2.5 decades, the number of alumni has reached more than 10,000. We are glad to use a space to expand the horizon of Britco and Bridco in the city of Dubai, which is always known for its multicultural and innovative ideas.
The next station is...
The company has selected one of the historical important districts within the city of Dubai, Deira, to be added into its branch map. As you know, Deira has become a global trading hub so that it attracts millions of curious visitors to the Having district every year. Now in Dubai, Britco and Bridco, students from more than 33 countries are undergoing proper skilled training in mobile phone technology, and the alumni of Dubai Britco have their career in 38 plus countries across the world. Britco and Bridco Dubai offers a variety of time-demanding services in addition to producing skilled mobile phone technicians. We have an extensive system to distribute accomplished mobile phone technicians to different parts of the world. In addition to providing training to students in our own institutions, Britco and Bridco has the facility to provide franchise and syllabus worldwide to the institutes interested in providing training in mobile phone technology, along with providing MacBook and mobile phone repairing services in different parts of the world. Britco and Bridco has an extensive worldwide distribution network for its own brand of mobile phone service parts and various tools required for mobile phone repairing. Being the pioneer in the field of training in mobile phone technology, with 25 years of experience, exploring the possibilities and the development of information and communication technology, making it an experience for generations and anticipating the future, Britco makes its successful journey through different parts of the world.